Hello friends, welcome to a new episode of Strat India. Today we will discuss about the Indian Army's new loitering munition drone to be used by special forces. Indian Armed Forces of late has started to filling of its inventory with loitering munition drones from foreign suppliers as well as Indian suppliers. In this regards, Polish company WB Electronics has delivered 100 Warmate loitering munition to the special forces of the Indian Army. The Warmate is powered by an electric motor and it can carry a maximum payload of 5.7 kilograms and has an operational radio line of sight range of 30 kilometers that makes it suitable for small targets. It can be launched from a vehicle as well as from a ground installation and has a maximum speed of 150 km per hour. The maximum altitude at which it can fly is 150 to 300 meters. Warmate loitering ammunition recently was seen in action after the Polish government supplied the Ukrainian armed forces with Warmate loitering ammunition that was used against Russian forces. The system characterized by a lightweight structure and the ability to perform various types of missions. Warmate is being successfully used by Polish and foreign armed forces and can be the key element on the future battlefield. In 2020, the Indian Army issued a request for information (RFI) for 100 loitering ammunition systems that are man-portable and can be used to take out personnel or soft-skin targets. Warmate can carry two types of a warhead, 5.7 kg high explosive or thermobaric. WB Electronics claims it can also be equipped with a laser warhead also. The Warmate can be used as a self-contained system, which can be transported or carried by land or special forces units. The Warmate constitutes a good alternative for anti-tank guided missiles with its capability to operate in a significantly larger radius, allowing comfortable detection and observation of the potential target in a relatively large time span of 70 minutes. The UAV is equipped with control modules ensuring full automation in flight phases and supporting the operator during targeting. The operator has full control and bears full responsibility for switching to the armed mode and execute a combat task. Besides Warmate, Indian Army's larger orders for loitering ammunition in near future will be fulfilled by the Indian companies that have developed loitering ammunition but are going through army trials that are under progress. Feel free to share your views on comments box. If you liked this video, please share and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for more of these videos. With this I would like to say goodbye and Jai Hind friends.